Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact to help support in CoinRabbit this. And if you have ever faced issues while using CoinRabbit like loan delays, repayment confusion or wallet problem, platform provides simple and reliable ways to contact help and support. Since CoinRabbit is a fully online crypto service, all the support is handled digitally for the faster response. In order to do that, first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down coinrabbit.io and enter it, and over here you need to go to this my wallet in the top right corner. And once you get into this interface over here, what you can do is under the dashboard on the bottom right corner we can find this small the chat icon. You need to click onto this icon here. This is for the CoinRabbit support as well. You can type down the name here and select to the send, and over here now you can start typing your issue. You'll first connect with a bot here, but for the complex issues a real support agent joins the chat, and this is the best for quick questions or the urgent problem as well. And always double check links to avoid the scams, and never share a private keys or password, and use the same email link to your account for the faster support. And CoinRabbit makes support simple through the live chat. Whether your issues is small or complex, you can quickly reach assistance and continue using the platform smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.